I feel like as men, it's really hard for us to really pinpoint how we feel in the moment. And because of that, I feel like it causes us to do a lot of stupid stuff. Like in high school, like did mass stupid stuff. But that's because it's like I was acting out of an emotion that I didn't even know what that emotion was. So I feel like just if I knew myself a bit more, I'd make more sound decisions. So yeah.
I say similar to what you said, be okay with being yourself. Kind of like what I said before, kind of ride the wave of what everyone's doing. It's funny. I was thinking back at it. I'm like, I'm really an idiot. Like,